Hi, good afternoon, sir. Hello. हॅलो. सर तुम्ही कंटिन्यू करू शकता. यू कॅन कंटिन्यू सर. सर आय एम ऑडिबल. हॅलो.
Audible, sir, audible.
ओके. ओके, यू कॅन कंटिन्यू. Sir, you are not audible and the screen is also not visible, sir.
Hello,
हाँ.
sir,
Your screen is not
audible?
visible. Yes, yes, you
Screen
are
just
visible.
अंबाजी सर आवाज येत आहे का माझं? स्टार्ट करायचं आहे का सर?
तो कंटिन्यू
हॅलो
करा.
हॅलो.
कंटिन्यू करा म्हटलं सर.
ओके ओके ओके, थँक्यू व्हेरी मच सर. ओके, गुड आफ्टरनून एव्हरीवन. सर ऑडिएबल ना? ऑडिएबल?
हाँ, ऑडिबल.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are see the new chapter in the in GATE with the engineering material subject. Friend. Okay. In this material engineering material subject, we are see the crystal structure of the and properties of the engineering materials, shape diagram, and heat treatment, stress strain diagram for the any material. Okay, this is the very interesting subject, friends. In engineering material, just we are classification engineering material in the two group. It may be basics engineering material as well as advanced engineering materials. Okay, they are the basics to classification of this particular engineering material. It's nothing but basics engineering material as well as advanced engineering material. Okay, after that also classification of engineering material is nothing but a metals and non-metal base. According to particular, some metals are metals and non-metals. Okay, means combination of metal and non-metals, we can say in other word is but a advanced engineering material, friends. Okay, in these materials, in metals, it may be ferrous metal and non-ferrous metal. In ferrous metal, irons, pig irons, cast irons, wrong iron, steel, these are come under this particular ferrous material. And non-ferrous material is nothing but copper alloys, aluminum, zinc, tin, and lead. These are the non-ferrous material. In other word, we can say, so this material is the base on the carbons. Okay, these are the non-ferrous material. Okay, in and non-metals is nothing but rubber, plastic, and resins. Okay, after that we are saying this, we are rigidity in engineering application point of view. When we designing the any element or any cars or any bodies, that time we, with help of the particular different we are selecting the different material for this when we manufacture the any component or any machinery part. Okay, means that time we must know each and every their properties. Okay, we are seeing further is nothing but mechanical properties of materials. Okay, which are the different type of property we require for the any materials, friends. Okay, this nothing but a properties introduction. The practical application of engineering material in the manufacturing engineering depend upon the through the knowledge of their particular properties under the wide range conditions. The term property is the quantity of a quantitative measure from the response of the material to extremely impose the condition for force and the temperature. However, the range of property found in the different classes for the materials. Okay, see the friend is nothing but the classification of material. Okay, it may be chemical property of particular material, physical, mechanical, or the in other words the densities. Okay, means dimension property means dimension property at the end means in a chemical properties. These are different type of basics properties of the any materials. Okay, this nothing but in the chemical, in the composition, oxidation, compound, acidity, alkalinity, and the heat, hearings, and these chemicals and corrosion. Okay, these are the different chemical properties for the any material, as well as after that the physical properties. It is the density, conductivity, thermal and electrical, and the transmissions, observation. These are the different type of physical property required, means property consists of the any materials. After that mechanical property we know the very best. Okay, strength, toughness, stiffness, elasticity, plasticity, and ductility, brittleness, hardness. These are the different mechanical properties we are see in the different type of say mechanical property with help of the particular next slide also. And the dimension. Okay, why means this all this it may be properties mechanical, chemical, and mechanical, physical, and chemical. These all these property totally all these effect take place on the particular dimension. Okay, sometime it may be dimension effect take place. Okay, this all this property depend on the particular dimensioning. Okay, after that this nothing but a mechanical property. The properties of the material that determine the behaviors under the applied force is known as the mechanical property. Okay, when we call means when we decide when we test any material, that time we require the particular, we are applying the particular force. Okay, so which type of effect take place we are see in the maybe in all this presentation. Okay, they are the usually related to elastic plastics behavior of the material. These property of expressed as the function of the stress strain as sound sound knowledge of the mechanical property of the material provides the basics predicting behavior of the material and the different loading condition and the designing of the components them. Okay, after that we are see the this nothing but your see. Okay, after that just a minute. Okay, these are the mechanical properties. After that this nothing but a stress and strain. Okay, stresses and experience show that the any material subjected to the load load may be either deforms, yield, break, depend upon. Okay, these are stress strain with help of the universal testing machine. This type of behavior take part of the any material. Okay, without testing any material we cannot select the any material for the any component purpose. Okay, each and every materials have their different properties. It may be chemicals, physicals, mechanical, or their dimensionings. Okay, different property. Okay, before of the selected any material for the any application, it may be yeah, any manufacturing product purpose, we must know there how much stress carrying capacity as well as strain carrying capacity. Okay, for that purpose the magnitude of loads. Okay, nature of material and cross section of dimension. Okay, these all these parameters come under. Okay, after that the sum of total all elementary motive force all internal resistance which the material is called upon to the exert to counteract of the applied load is called of the stress. Mathematically stress is expressed as the force divided by cross section area. Okay, this nothing but stress by cross section area means how much force we are applying. Okay, at the end it may be tensile or compressive. Okay, just in case of your generally it is which element of force, tensile force. So what effect take place at the particular this this point. Okay, this nothing but stress is nothing but force upon cross section area. Okay, this cross section area affect on the particular we are already seen in the density. This nothing but dimensioning shape and size. Okay, after that this mathematical expression stress is expressed in the expressed as force force by cross section area. Okay, this type of effects it will take place. Okay, we applying the tensile force uh, at the end of this particular material. Okay, this strain is nothing but strains. This nothing but a strain is the dimension response given by the materials against the mechanical loading on deformation produced per unit length. Okay, this nothing but mathematical strain is change in length divided by the original length. That is indicate that initial position उस body की कितनी थी, after that after applying load means after applying load which dimensioning particular change take place on the particular specimens. This nothing but we are seeing the strain. Okay, we know the very well strain is the unitless quantity. After that strain. Okay, these we are see this nothing but in our mechanical engineering suppose structure as well as properties we are see the each and everything property. Okay, strength is nothing but after that strength is nothing but strength of the material. It is the capacity to withdraw destruct the under the action of the external loader. External load, this nothing but a stress. Okay, the determining the ability of material is with the stand stress without failures. Okay, the maximum stress at the any material will be withdrawn before the destruction is called the ultimate. Is called the ultimate. Okay, after that elasticity, it is another property of the material. Okay, this property of material is virtued with the deformation caused by the applied load disappearance upon the removal of the load. Elasticity of material is the power of coming back to it origins. Okay, उसको अपन क्या बोलते हैं, this nothing but we can say this nothing but elasticity. Okay, when applied the load, when you come under the without any changing, you come to the original shape. Okay, the position after deformation when the stress load is removed with help of the particular diagram, friends. Okay, means with help of the particular diagram is nothing but linear elastic and non-linear elastics. Okay, after that this nothing but your plasticity. Okay, this nothing but plasticity of material able to undergo some degree of permanent deformation means that is indicate that when we applying the any load on the any object. Okay, means only related to the with material having the plastic property means when we applying the any loads at the end means it never come to the means some degree of permanent deformation take place. That is indicated. In other words, we can say this never come to the initial position. Okay, such type of property we can say is nothing but a plasticity. Plastic deformation will be take only after the elastic limit it is the exerted. Okay, it increase the increase sorry it increase with increase the temperature. When your temperature is increasing, that time this plasticity also be increasing. With plastics, this nothing but particular their diagram. Okay, after that this nothing but with help of the just a minute with help of this stress strain curve show by the elasticity and the plasticity for the material which we are already see plasticity as well as elasticity means which effect take place with help of the this all this test taken this graph is showing specimens which type of it may be plastic के ऊपर किस टाइप के इफेक्ट आते हैं और इलास्टिक मटेरियल जो जो प्रॉपर्टी अपन देख रहे हैं इसके अंदर प्लास्टिक और इलास्टिक और प्लास्टिक के ऊपर which type of stresses develop how to is come to the breaking we are said with help of the particular stress strain diagram. These all these tests taken by the universal testing machine. This is already available. This is the common machines available in the every colleges. Okay, with help of the particular specimen we are just keeping this ये slide के अंदर already है अपन देखेंगे at the end of the last. Okay friends. Okay, see here this nothing but a stress and this nothing but a strain. Okay, this nothing but a plastic rays of deformation. This nothing but your elastic rays of deformation. Okay, means elastic rings is means this linear curve that is indicated that particular your elastic rays of the any particular molecule. After that when we applying load after that some curve is downward side थोड़ा कर्व थोड़ा डाउनवर्ड साइड में जाता है. After that plastic deformation take place, then neckings, after that failure. Okay, at the end of plastic deformation this all this region after 0.002 after that this nothing but this region is showing means this nothing but your elastic range of the deformation and this range is nothing but your plastics range of deformation. Okay, means linear curve that is indicated your particular elastic limit for the any material or any metals. Okay friends, after that stiffness, another property nothing but your stiffness. Okay, this is this also be very important properties. The resistance of the material to elastic deformation or the Deflection is called the stiffness, or we can say rigidity. Material with suffering a slight deformation under the load has high degree of stiffness is or a rigidity. Okay. Examples: steel become the more stiffness or more rigid than the aluminum beam. Therefore, steel is common using for the any the, means any construction of the anywhere जहाँ पे अपन कंक्रीटिंग वर्क करते हैं वहाँ पे जनरली वी आर यूजिंग द पर्टिकुलर स्टील्स भी वहाँ पे यूज करते फ्रेंड. ओके. After that, this nothing but a ductility. This is the another very important property of the any material. We know the very well ductility property of material is nothing but when we are applying the any for that times e come to the draw to the in a thin wire. Okay, जो भी element के ऊपर it is the property of material which is the enables it to draw out into the thin wire. That is indicate that when we are applying the any force of the any materials means ductile material, this material having the particular ductile material, when we applying the force that time this material come to the dry into the particular wire. That is the mild steel as a ductile material. Name is indicated. Mild steel is nothing but your ductile material. Okay friends. Okay, this nothing but this is the original position when we applying the applying the load means this nothing but a ductility property. Okay, these are their ductility property of this material. Okay, just a minute. Ductility property. After that, this nothing but your friends, this nothing but show with help of the ductility property how it is means come to the actual practical. Okay, this nothing but original load, this nothing but practical deformation, this elongation and reduction area in the ductility, how to area is decreasing take place. जो अपन ने already थे means any materials which come to the means when we applying the any force of the any materials, in other word we can say mild steel, this come under the dry into the small wires. Okay, such type of material we can say nothing but a ductility material. Okay, this nothing but another most important is nothing but malleability. This is the another property of material. Is the malleability of material. It is the ability of material flattened into the sheet without cracking. Okay, without cracking. Okay, therefore some material only we are using for the malleable point of view. Okay, just गोल्ड स्मिथ वर्क जहाँ पे अपन हैमरिंग देखिए पर्टिकुलर वी आर गिव द हैमरिंग वर्क जो जहाँ पे होता है रिलेटेड टू द ऑर्नामेंट्स के लिए वगैरह. ओके, जो मटेरियल के अंदर malleability is the property of material, this is a flattened into the thin sheet. Okay, thin sheet. But in case of the previous one, ductility is nothing but draw the small wire. Okay, both are the different, malleability different as well as ductility different. But in case of क्या हो रहा है when we applying the flattened into the thin sheets without cracking by hot and cold working process. तो वो जो प्रोसेस होती है it may be hot working process as well as cold working process. But in case of what happen friends means without cracking means जो sheet form में convert होती है such type of property we can say is nothing but malleability. Okay, after that comparison of ductility and malleability we are seeing. Okay, ductility malleability जो अभी तक के देखे this nothing but ductility malleability are the frequently use the interchangeable many times. Okay, ductility is the tensile quality while the malleability is nothing but a compressive quality. Okay, means in case of the ductile metal because we are applying the force at the end. Okay, but in case of malleability what happen we are convert this particular sheet in thin sheet, that is indicated we are applying the particular compressive force. Okay, compressive force. Okay, is nothing but after that this nothing but another most important property is nothing but hardness. Okay, hardness is the fundamental property of the related to the strength. Okay, hardness is usually defined in the term of the ability of material is resist cracking, observing, cuttings and indices of the penetration. Okay, these are the hardening property of the any materials. Okay friend, this is nothing but your brittleness. Okay, these are the another property. Okay, this is nothing but a creep. Okay, slow and progressive deformation of the material. Slow and progressive deformation of the material with time at constant stress is called as a creep. Okay, depend upon the temperature, stress even below the elastic limit can be cause some permanent deformation. Okay, such type of property we call it something but creep property. These are the basic property. Okay, in the particular any engineering material point of view, depend upon this particular property of the process of the this they have particular any material such type of property. Therefore, we are selecting the particular material for the different application point of view. Okay, after that we we are already seen the different property. After that, engineering material, it may be metal alloys, it may be ceramic and the polymers. This is another type of material we are say metal and non-ferrous. Okay, and some is nothing but non-metals. These are common under this metal, alloys, ceramic and polymers. Okay, these are the basic engineering materials. Basic engineering materials according to this metal and alloys, good thermal conductivity and elastic conductivity. Okay, relatively high melting points. Okay, some I'm just to give the overall about this particular properties of the material. Metal and alloy may good thermal conductivity, electricity, good electrical conductivity, relatively high melting points, signings when polishing, ductility, hardness, weldability, strength, capacity and toughness. These are the consist this property related to the metal and alloys. Okay, after that, this nothing but our metals. It may be ferrous metal and non-ferrous metal. Okay, containing iron as the primary elements. Okay, this is nothing but we are just differentiate between the ferrous metal and non-ferrous metal. Means nothing but ferrous metal, this metal having the corrosive in जो मटेरियल फेरस मटेरियल जनरली चांसेस आपको उसके ऊपर करोजन आते रहता है, लेकिन इन केस ऑफ व्हेन वी थिंकिंग अबाउट द नॉन फेरस मेटल, दे आर नेवर मींस उनके ऊपर बिल्कुल करोजन आता नहीं है. मींस दैट इज इंडिकेट दैट containing the iron as the primary element, but same thing in case of the non ferrous material, non containing the iron as the primary element, क्योंकि उसके अंदर जो नॉन फेरस मटेरियल होते हैं, इन अदर वर्ड वी कैन से दिस आर द प्योर मटेरियल्स. ओके, वो इनिशियली प्योर फॉर्म में होते हैं, लेकिन सम टाइम वी आर उसमें some quantity of suppose when we require the particular application point of view, we are there support creeping वगैरह अगर से उसके ऊपर करो तो रजिस्टर से इंप्रूव करना रहा, इन अदर उसकी प्रॉपर्टी चेंज करना रहा, तो वी आर यूजिंग सम with help of the combination of copper, aluminum, tin and zinc also be using friends. Okay, this nothing but non ferrous metal में अंदर आते हैं pig iron, rug iron and steel. Okay, this nothing but in case of the non ferrous metal के अंदर आते हैं copper, aluminum, tin, zinc and gold. Okay, after that, okay, this nothing but another most important element is ceramics. Okay, this nothing but a ceramic material friends. Okay, this component of the metal or non-metal is already I have told you this combination of we can in other word we can say something but advanced material. Okay, they are usually oxides, nitrate, carbon or any silicate or various metals. Okay, this material consists of the it may be metal, non-metal or we can say such type of material we can say in other word advanced material also. Okay, rock and clay are the natural ceramics. Okay, in organics, non-metals, solid which use the high temperature. Okay, इसके temperature range भी high होती है और such type of material generally we require the advanced manufacturing process के अंदर जो भी different type of machining process है उसमें इसकी machining की जाती है, advanced manufacturing process में उसकी machining की जाती है. After that, this nothing but characteristic of the just a minute. This nothing but ceramic. After that, this another metal is nothing but polymers. These are the carbon compound. They chemically consist of the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen or other non-metallic elements bounded by the strong covalent bond. Okay, this is the very common materials. Okay, after that, solid of long molecule chains. They can be used. They can be natural, synthetics or the manufacturer. Okay, before of this material their particular means उसकी प्रॉपर्टी क्या है, इसमें भी lightweight, soft, flammable, flexible, poor condition of the heat and electricity, poor resistant to the temperature and low melting points, good mold ability and degraded due to the radiation. Okay, these are nothing but their characteristics. This nothing but their particular applications we are seeing in the polymers, in the plastic, rubber, fuels, oil, paint. Okay, we are in particular their application also insulating and electrical application as a fuels. Okay, the refrigerator, lubrications, protecting against the corrosions, providing good appearance. Okay, productivity, rubber gasket or the leakage proof this and tube and tires. Okay, means in other words we can say जो भी polymer material has when your we know the very well it may be ferrous material, non ferrous material, we know the very well their particular properties of the particular material, but this application uska definitely in case of the any manufacturing purpose means any automobile industry, these are used the very common, but some leakage point of view this polymers is play the very important role. बराबर है. Chances of lubrication in case of the protection against the corrosion provides good appearance in the product. Okay, means rubber as well as rubber gasket for the leakage proof means This is nothing but polymer also we play the very important role for the engineering material point of view. Okay. After that, advanced engineering materialism is nothing but with help of this is the very simple means this consists of the periodic tables यहाँ पे provide किए. After that, semiconductor material. Okay, these are you know the very well. Okay. After that, we are say ये सभी जो material है उसका particular how to develop when we call the means bonding of this all this material this with help of the particular crystal structure. Okay, crystal structure play the very important role. We are see here. Crystal is nothing, just a minute. Crystal structure. Okay. Crystal structure is nothing but lattice and basis. Okay. Lattice is nothing but the infinite periodical array of the points in the space. The arrangement of the points define the lattice symmetry, and the lattice may be one, two, or three are dimension. It may be one dimension, two dimension, or a three dimension. Is nothing but your the group of one or more atom located at the particular way with the respect to each other and associate with the each point is known as the मोटिल और बेसिस उसको मोटिल और बेसिस बोलते हैं जो अपन दिस नथिंग बट वी आर सीन द क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर मींस लैटिक्स एज वेल एज बेसिक के बारे में बताया. ओके, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दिस. ओके, this nothing but आपल्याला crystal are classified into the two type. Okay, this particular crystal जो अपन crystal property जो अपन देख रहे crystal structure के अंदर this also classification into two type is nothing but the polycrystal and the single crystal. Polycrystal is name is indicator friends. This in this type of crystal periodically it is not mentioned throughout the body means जो भी ये crystal structure होंगे means through the body is not mentioned through the body is properly sequence में नहीं रहते. Therefore such type of we can say crystal structure but this type of crystal structure say after that this nothing but single crystal. In this type of crystal periodically this the maintained through the out of the body. See both diagram is you get the basic idea about this particular. It may be polystructure and the as well as a single structure. Okay, after that unit cell they play the very important role in the particular crystal structure point of view. Atom or group of the atom forming and bond and binding block of the smallest and acceptable size of the whole the volume of the crystal. It is defined as the unit cell. Unit cell is nothing but in fact the atom of group of atoms forming a building block of the smallest acceptable size for the whole volume of crystal is defined as the उसको अपन क्या बोलते हैं we can say is nothing but your unit cell strength. Okay, this nothing but your unit cell. Okay, here this nothing but your friends unit cell. How to particular bonding it may be single crystal or crystal or polycrystal के जो ये particular bonding होता है by tracking the identical unit cell the entire lattice can be constructed. Lattice point are the located at the corner of unit. Okay, this that is indicated that lattice points are the located at the corner of the unit. See here this unit. Okay, at the unit. Okay, after that tail in the same cases it is the either face or center unit cell we are see. Next slide. Okay friend, this nothing but this is the crystal structure we have. Okay, it may be this crystal structure how to we are different type of there we are see the particular according to cubic cell point of view. Okay, this nothing but crystal structure it may be simple cubics. Okay, we can do with help of the SC 4 center cubes FCC and body center cube friends. Okay, name is indicated that simple is nothing but they got 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit, 6 unit. Okay, at the corner. Okay, after that when we thinking about this particular face center cubic FCC face center cubic that is indicated that this 1 2 3 4 face means that is indicated center point में लगा है. Therefore such type of crystal structure we call this nothing but a body center cube. Okay, after that we are seeing nothing but a फेस सेंटर क्यूबिक. ओके, इस फेस के ऊपर सपोज इस फेस के आगे एवरी फेस के ऊपर एक पर्टिकुलर वहां पे पर्टिकुलर क्या प्रोवाइड किया है पर्टिकुलर वो यूनिट प्रोवाइड किया है. सच टाइप ऑफ क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर वी कॉल दिस नथिंग बट बॉडी सेंटर क्यूब. मींस यहां पे फेस सेंटर है डेफिनेटली सॉरी इज नथिंग बट योर सिंपल क्यूब. तो यहां पे सिंपल मींस ओनली उसके पॉइंट कॉर्नर के ऊपर जॉइंट है. आफ्टर दैट यहाँ पे अगर से बात करते तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है बॉडी सेंटर क्यूब मींस सेंटर के ऊपर मींस इस फेस के आगे एक ही है बट यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है सेंटर फेस सेंटर क्यूब इज दैट इज इंडिकेटेड ईच एंड एवरी फेस के ऊपर वो सिंगल यूनिट प्रोवाइड किया है. सच टाइप ओनली देयर आर 3 टाइप ऑफ वी आर इसकी भी आगे क्लासिफिकेशन है, वी आर सी द फर्दर. ओके, बट दीज आर द बेसिक, इट नथिंग बट simple cubics, body center cubic and face center cubic, friends. Okay, after that this nothing but arrangement of a identical sphere of the simple spell cubics. Okay, इसके ऊपर भी जनरली अकॉर्डिंग टू गेट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इसके जनरली यूनिट्स पूछे जाते हैं. टोटल नंबर ऑफ एटम पर सिंपल क्यूब सेल is okay, this nothing but 8 points divided by 1 by 8, you get the particular one atom. Okay, this nothing but for your simple cube cell. Simple cube cell यहाँ पे कितने पॉइंट्स है, कितने यूनिट है, इज नथिंग बट योर टोटल नंबर ऑफ 1 2 मिस 8 मिस 1 by 8 से उसको मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद 1 atom you get this. Miss this type of question asking in the your gate exam also. Okay, after that we are see here, see friends, arrangement of the identical sphere in the body center cube. Body center cube, see here in the center is one unit is provided, friends. Okay, then when we help the particular calculation, total number of atom per BCC, BC is nothing but body centered cubes, finding that time 1 by 1 by 8 plus 1. Okay, this nothing but we are adding 1 by plus, we get the particular 2 atoms. But in case of what happened, friends, in case of सिंपल क्यूबिक सेल में क्या मिला था अपने को, 1 एटम मिला था. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, दिस नथिंग बट योर बॉडी सेंटर क्यूब्स. बॉडी सेंटर क्यूब में क्या हो रहा है, we get the two atoms. Okay, same thing we are see the further, see here, this nothing but your for the corner atom and the face center atoms. Okay, फेस सेंटर क्यूबिक, फेस सेंटर क्यूबिक में क्या कंडीशन है फ्रेंड्स, ईच एंड एवरी फेस के ऊपर अपने को क्या क्या गिवन थे, दिस नथिंग बट यू आर ईच एंड एवरी फेस के ऊपर देखो, दिस नथिंग बट जस्ट यू कंसीडर टॉप के ऊपर भी है, दिस नथिंग बट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है, दिस नथिंग बट सेंटर में 2 है, बॉटम में और इस साइड में. ओके, दिस नथिंग बट यू आर 4, दिस वन साइड here, this nothing but top, this nothing but bottom, you get the 2 unit. Okay, this nothing but left side, this nothing but right side, you get the 2 4, and this nothing but top and this nothing but sorry, this nothing but side. Okay, both side में दो है, this nothing but you are get the 2. Okay, after that we get the particular in case of FCC means face centered atom में कितने अपने को मिले, face center क्यूब में कितने मिले, this nothing but your 4 atoms. Okay, these are the basic different, friends. Okay, after that see, this is the play the very important role according to your gate exam point of view. Means they are directly question asking, so which are the following here, means there are several Unix arrangements, know the character structure which fill the 3 dimension space. Okay, 3 dimension space में यहाँ पे provide किया है. Means each and every, it may be simple cube in the tetragonal, orthographical and the robobehaviorist and the monoclinics and triclinics and hexagonal. Means each and every alpha, beta, gamma or ABCs both are different. This thing keep in your minds. Okay, friends. Okay, in case of the simple cubic, A equal to B equal to C, same things. We just you check it. But in tetragonal में क्या हो रहा था, A equal to B, but B is not equal to C. Okay, this nothing alpha, beta, gamma 90 degree. Same here also be in case of the tetragonal, alpha, beta, gamma is nothing but 90 degree, but A equal to B, but B is not equal to A, B is not equal to C. Okay, this is the basic difference. Means they are giving the particular multiple choice question. Okay, which of the following is the orthographicals? Okay, they are asking the particular arrangement. Okay, so dimension space, that time you must know all these parameters. In case of orthographical, what happens, A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C, is alpha, beta, gamma equal to 90 degree. Okay, alpha, beta, gamma is equal to 90 degree. Okay, same thing happen here also be in case of the monoclinics, alpha is not equal to beta, sorry, A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C, same thing, alpha gamma equal to 90 degree and beta is not equal to 90 degree. Okay, these are the very important for your exam point of view. See here, this nothing but your 7 crystal system जो अभी हमने देखे थे with help of the particular diagram यहाँ पे with respect to different material में कैसा उसका which type of material point of view such type of crystal is provided. This is the given here. Okay, this nothing but your crystal structure, another tetragonal crystal structure. Okay, this another diagram, just a minute. 3 is nothing but your orthorhombic crystal structure. Okay, these are the difference. Okay, after that this nothing but hexagonal crystal. After that rhombohedral crystal. Okay, friend, these are the after that just a minute. Okay, this nothing but your tree clinics crystal. Okay, these are the different type of means total number of 7 different type of crystal अपन ने इसके अंदर देखे थे फ्रेंड मींस जो भी crystal ये जो स्लाइड के अंदर देखे आपने बिफोर दिस स्लाइड ओके these are cover all these parameter फ्रेंड्स ओके मींस जो इस सेवरल crystal है मींस a equal to b b equal to c same things okay मींस कहां पे इक्वल टू आ रहा कहां पे इक्वल टू नहीं आ रहा दिस थिंग कीप इन योर माइंड फॉर योर एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू फ्रेंड्स ओके दिस नथिंग बट अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज नथिंग बट हेक्सागोनल कंस्ट्रक्शन ओके हेक्सागोनल कंस्ट्रक्शन है यहाँ पे number of we get the particular 6 atom okay we get the particular number of 6 atom okay hexagonal okay top bottom side okay this is nothing but उसके साइड की मुताबिक आफ्टर दैट वी आर से द डिफरेंस ये these are the different type of ये भी मटेरियल के लिए these are the different type of crystal रहते हैं आफ्टर दैट वी आर सी द आफ्टर नेक्स्ट वी आर सी in nothing but a heat treatment process okay this is the play the very important role while we are manufacture the unicorn it before manufacturing or after manufacturing okay this is nothing but heat treatment or heat surfacing process these are the play the very important role as well as on the engineering material point of view when we are give the particular treatment heat treatment for the any manufacturing product or any material it may be before manufacturing after manufacturing that time friends there all this property must be changed okay this is only possible means after that heat treatment process therefore means we are see the high weight number of the heat treatment process. Heat treatment process is the series of operation of the involving the heating and cooling. Okay, name is indicated. Heat treatment means you are using heat as well as cooling process. Okay, sometime cooling purpose we are using this here also, or any sometime we are using the cooling purpose also. Quenching materials means water भी use करते हैं और any liquid भी use करते हैं. Different type of quenching material you are sorry liquids we are using friends. Okay, the purpose of the change in the mechanical property. Okay, combination of the mechanical properties. So yeah, the metal will be more useful, serviceable, and the safe of the for the definite purpose. Okay, that is indicated friends. Means जो अपनी सर्विस रहेंगी मीन्स उसमें आने वाले जो भी when we increase their particular properties of this after that heating treatment. Okay, by heat treatment, metal can be made harder, stronger, and more resistant to the impact. Heat treatment can also be make the metal softer and the more ductile. Okay, this also be property is increased. We have see the starting point at the starting different type of property, but as well as you are when we manufacture the particular product after that we are give the heat treatment process definitely that times this particular products also be your property also be increasing it may be more resistant impact load heat treatment means make the more softer as well as ductile okay these are the property after that increasing friends okay this nothing but a introductions okay after that this nothing but a heat treatment process friend okay no okay these are the different type of heat treatment process okay so we are see the nothing but type of heat treatment may be annealing normaling quenching or hardening and tempering okay these are this heat treatment process okay after that surface hardening case hardening tempering and marketing and also forming these are the different type of heat treatment process friend okay this nothing but your annealing process okay this nothing but your very important annealing process जो अपन ने यहाँ पे we are see here these are the different not only single but depend upon your particular product where you are using and this type of correct this type of properties this material you want okay after that it may be come under the annealing or it may be come under the normaling or it may be come under the quenching or it may be come under the tempering process okay these are the different type of heat treatment process okay but depend upon your particular requirement depend upon your particular applications okay you are giving the particular heat treatment process on that particular material friends okay after that this is nothing but a first step okay annealing is the process of the softering material or to the bring about the required change in the properties such as miss I am already told you friends miss which type of property do you want okay miss there these manufacturing materials where particular there is use okay okay in case of the annealing this type of property such as the machinability mechanical or electrical property or the dimensional stability okay annealing process consists of the heating of the steel or near to the critical temperature means that is indicated friends it may be annealing quenching tempering or all these heat treatment process we are generally using with the different particular temperature range okay So in this case, in annealing process consists of the heating and the steel or near to the critical. Sorry, okay. Okay. The annealing process, sorry, the annealing process consists of the heating the steel or near to the critical temperature means ये जो annealing process होती है यहाँ पे critical temperature के पास में होते हैं temperature at which crystalline phase change occur to make the suitable for fabrication. The material can be annealing or the heating in the specific temperature and lattering the material slowly cooled room temperature in an ओवर ओके मीन्स आफ्टर दैट एनएलई में करने के बाद जो भी हीट ट्रीटमेंट प्रोसेस होगी आफ्टर दैट यू आर keep this material on this your room temperature frames okay when the in when see with help of the particular diagram we are see here when the annealing is part of allowed to cool in the furnace it will be full annealing heat treatment okay these are the particular different ranges show in this particular figure friends here okay this nothing but your part this nothing but your different type of pages is nothing but this nothing but is the horizontal this nothing but horizontal 0 0.2 0.4 this nothing but your percentage level of particular carbon level okay this nothing but your temperature of temperature in the degrees on celsius okay means that is indicate that friends in the all these operation take means all these heat treatment take place means different type of percentage of carbon as well as different type of temperature range okay this nothing but this means ferrite and perlite cementite and perlite okay this nothing but process this 700 डिग्री सेल्सियस ओके क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर जो अपन इसके पहले देखे थे बरोबर है दिस नथिंग प्रोसेस ऑफ एनेलिंग रेंज ओके आफ्टर दैट दिस नथिंग बट फेराइट एंड ऑस्टेनेट मींस व्हेन योर टेम्परेचर रेंज इज चेंजिंग with respect to their percentage level of carbon this nothing but a ferrite range okay यहाँ पे क्या है ferrite और perlite था but when your particular temperature range is increasing this is ferrite with austenite range occur take place same thing right hand side also be see here this nothing but your जो ये लाइन यहाँ पे given है when the annealing part of allowed to the cooled at the furnace okay cooled at the furnace that time we get the full annealing तो ये जो particular range है it initially when we are cooling the any material in the room temperature that time this nothing but a process of annealing this nothing but your process of annealing but when your particular material or any parts you are cooling in the furnace that time this nothing but with respect to we are decreasing this nothing but your full annealing range okay after that this nothing but a austenite range and normalizing range okay this nothing but your austenite this nothing but your 800 degrees is nothing but your ferrites okay so these things come here okay after this with help of the particular temperature range is given okay after that case hardening okay case hardening process है very simple है after that case hardening process ये जो केस हार्डनिंग पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस है फ्रेंड्स ये जो पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस है इसके अंदर इस इन दिस प्रोसेस जो भी डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर रेंज में जो जस्ट मिनट ऑस्टेनाइट ओके दिस नथिंग बट योर टेम्परिंग हैज द asterisk is heat the is heat treatment that is the applied to the fierce metal okay I am already explained you different metal purpose different type of heat treatment process is used okay for tempering it is the treatment that is applied to the ferrous metal most notability steel and a ductile iron okay ductile iron okay in the steel is produced and maintaining microstructure whereas cast iron is the produce yes the structure of the acicular ferrite and high carbon stability austenite known as the ospherites okay it is the primarily used for the improve the mechanical property or reduce the eliminated distortion okay for that purpose tempering is used this particular temperature range this type of phase is this type of diagram begins in the as tempering range okay after that tempering is carried out by the peripheral provided by the quenching or just a minute quenching or normaling steel to at the temperature below the critical temperature okay before of this we are heat treatment already seen in the critical temperature but here what happened is nothing but temperature below this critical temperature range holding and then the cooling to obtain the desired mechanical property this phenomena take place in the tempering is used reduce the brittleness of the quenched steel जो this generally used for the reduce the brittleness and quenching of the steel the The temperature chosen for the temperating process directly impact the hardness of the workpiece. Okay, जो भी अपन टेम्परेचर यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट करते फ्रेंड, दिस डायरेक्टली इम्पैक्ट ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर वर्कपीस के ऊपर, हार्डनेस के ऊपर, उसके हार्डनेस के ऊपर इम्पैक्ट करता है. दिस हार्डनेस ऑफ द टेम्परेचर इन द टेम्परिंग प्रोसेस विच इज द lower the hardness. Okay, after that this nothing but a tempering. Okay friend, this nothing but a surface hardening. Okay, this another next heat treatment process is nothing but surface hardening. Surface hardening treatment by the this treatment of the steel by the heat or mechanical means the increase the hardness of the outer surface while the core remains relatively sharp. Okay, जो मीन्स सरफेस हार्डनिंग होता है, दी टोटल रिलेटेड द आउटर बॉडी, आउटर सरफेस के रिलेटेड ही ये है. ओके, आफ्टर दैट दिस इज द ओल्डर सरफेस हार्डनिंग मेथड इज द कार्बोराइजिंग in which steel is placed at the high temperature for the several hours in the carborescence environments. The carbons diffusion into the surface of the steel and rendering it harder. Okay friends, okay, so this nothing but we are hardening process. Okay, this nothing but a different type of quenching media also be used. Okay, after that we at the end of this engineering material, our last point is nothing but a stress strain diagram for the engineering material, but some points also I am cover in this behavior for the properties of material. So we are seeing 5 to 10 minutes only. This nothing but your stress strain diagrams. Okay, in this stress strain diagram we are seeing stress strains. Okay, strains, stress strains curve, stress strains curve parameters. Okay, we are seeing directly. Okay, just a minute. Okay, this nothing but your we are already seen friends, it's nothing but stress. Okay, this stress strain का इंडिविजुअली अपने इंजीनियरिंग मटेरियल के अंदर तुम्हारे अकॉर्डिंग टू गेट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू स्पेशल यहाँ पे टॉपिक्स यहाँ पे इंक्लूड किया है, बट this all this parameter we are already seen in this our basic properties of this material phase. Okay, still I am just one time revision हो जाएंगे आपकी. Okay, stress is nothing but a stress for the force per unit area, the ratio of applied force to F and cross section area is defined as the force per unit area. Okay, this is nothing but a stress. You know the variable there unit Newton per meter square. Okay, after that what happens, जो अपन stress यानी apply करते हैं यानी force के ऊपर. Okay, means that is indicate that. Okay, जो universal testing machine जिसको UTI बोलते हैं. Okay, universal टेस्टिंग मशीन के ऊपर जो स्पेसिमेन विथ हेल्प ऑफ लेके स्पेसिमेन जो इलास्टिक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एनी ब्रेकिंग विच व्हेन एलिमेंट ब्रेकिंग टेक्स प्लेस, ऑल दिस पैरामीटर्स जब अपन कैलकुलेट करते हैं, दिस स्ट्रेस प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. ओके, एज वेल एज बोथ आर स्ट्रेस एंड स्ट्रेन कोरिलेशन विथ ईच अदर बराबर है, क्योंकि स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेन पे डिपेंड करता है, स्ट्रेन स्ट्रेस के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. मींस व्हेन वी आर डूइंग दिस, व्हेन वी डील विद द पर्टिकुलर देयर प्रैक्टिकली जब अपन स्टडी करते दैट टाइम इट टोटली डिपेंड अपन टू मींस उसके ऊपर वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंड करते फ्रेंड. दिस शो द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंस कर्व. ओके, दिस नथिंग बट लीनियर लाइन. ओके, इसके पहले अपन इसको क्या बोले थे, जो इसके पहले अपन वी आर ऑलरेडी सीन इन द प्रीवियस स्लाइड फ्रेंड. जस्ट अ मिनट, जस्ट अ मिनट, just a minute, wait for 2 minutes. See here, both the diagram is same friends. Okay, same. Therefore I am already told you कि जो प्रॉपर्टी है स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेन कर्व की सोन इन द इलास्टिक एंड प्लास्टिक, मींस दैट इज इंडिकेट दैट दिस नथिंग बट इलास्टिक रेंज एंड प्लास्टिक रेंज. अब अपन अपने इनिशियल डायग्राम के ऊपर आते हैं, इट इज ओके. जस्ट अ मिनट. ओके, this here, this nothing but your elastic limit, this nothing but your plastic limit friend. This vertical line is nothing but your what, this nothing but strain, this nothing but strain. Okay, when we deal with the particular with help of the universal testing machine, जब अपन इसको यूनिवर्सल टेस्टिंग मशीन के ऊपर चेक करते हैं. ओके, इतने वाली और एनी मींस जो भी विच टाइप ऑफ स्पेसिमेन यू हैव टेकन. ओके, that time we get the particular there are different type of particular curve. Okay, this nothing but your elastic thing, that is indicate that they are follow the only linear. Okay, after that one upper limit lower limit, after that take the lower direction at the point of D, then you change their particular position. Okay, this nothing but at the rate of stop at this point at the B point we call this nothing but your elastic limit. Okay, ये linear curve है. After that this nothing but your when we applying the point of material go to the again their decreasing cross section area, then again they are to the wires. After that, this nothing but your universal stress. Okay, after the universal stress at the point this. Okay, after the universal stress, when we still you are continue applying the force, when you are still applying continue the force, that time you are rupture stress. Okay, it is the stress where your particular specimen is break. Okay, उस समय में तुम्हारा जो स्पेसिमैन है फ्रेंड वहां पे ब्रेक हो जाता है फ्रेंड्स. ओके, दिस नथिंग बट योर इलास्टिक रेंज, this nothing but your plastic range with help of the different type of section. Okay, it's nothing but yield stress, ultimate stress. Okay, okay, these are the particular stress strain diagram friend. Okay, this also we see, this nothing but your region of the stress curve. We are already seen elastic region, yielding, plastic region, and strain hardening and nickel. At the end their failure take place. Okay, with help of this diagram friend. Okay, this nothing but elastic range. Okay, elastic behavior, therefore we get the particular linear curve. Okay, after that this nothing but yieldings. Okay, yieldings at that nickelings. Okay, ये जो different particular range अपने को मिलते हैं on the particular universal testing machine. After that our material gets to break होता है, उसके बाद अपना material friends क्या होता जाता है, break हो जाता है friends. Okay, this nothing but elastic range, उसकी definition क्या चीज है, we are here elastic as per if the specimen returns to its original length when the load is acting on it remove it is state to response elasticity. We okay, उसका पर क्या, we this zone or this area we can do nothing but elastic region. After that yielding at plastic deformation at the slight increase the stress. Okay, when you are increase the slight increase the stress above the elastic limit, it reduce it permanent deformation, means that is indicate that. Okay, after that your elastic after that plastic region your material never come original shape and size. Okay, उसको ही अपन क्या बोलते हैं, in other word we can say permanently deformation. This behavior called, okay, this behavior is called yielding. This stress cause the yielding or yielding stress and is denoted by EXY. Okay, the deformation that occur is nothing but a plastic deformation. और जो deformation होता है उसको अपन क्या बोलते हैं, this nothing but your plastic deformation. Okay, after that stress hardening. Okay, further load can be applied the specimen. उसके बाद भी after that your plastic deformation, when you are this further you can apply the particular load on the specimen, resulting it cure that rise continuously but become flatter until reaches maximum stress referred and the उसको अपन क्या बोलते हैं, ये ultimate state. Okay, this rise the curve of the strain hardness. Okay, these are the particular specimen nickeling failure. Okay, after the end उसको जो भी जो जब तुम्हारा स्पेसिमेन पर्टिकुलर ब्रेकिंग एक्शन पे आता है, वो जब वो फेल्यूर होता रहता है, this type of nickel jokes we particular take place. After the ultimate trade, the cross section area begin will to decreasing in the localized region of the specimen instead of the overall its entire length. Okay, the load and stress keep dropping until the specimen reach the fracture point. Okay, you got my points. Okay friends, after that you are this particular specimen get failure होता है friend. Okay, तो ये particular उसके different diagram है. This nothing but you are this particular important thing is nothing but your this is the very just is nothing but a universal testing machine. With help of this particular universal testing machine, ये हर एक कॉलेज में ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल होती है. जनरली दे आर सिविल डिपार्टमेंट्स में होती है. आफ्टर दैट यू गेट द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ देखो मटेरियल्स, स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेन कर्व फॉर द डिफरेंट मटेरियल्स. ओके, वी आर सी द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल्स. ओके, different property of materials, definitely their physical property, mechanical property, chemical property and dimensional property, as well as these basics depend upon their different quality of materials. This when we testing this particular material the different universal testing machine, that time according to their property, according to their different type of quality of this particular material, we get the different type of curve. Okay friends, this nothing but stress strain diagram, this nothing but a mild stress, this nothing but a cast iron, this nothing but your concrete. Okay, these are the we got the different type of material, different curve. Okay, same thing happen here also be friends. Stress strain diagram, this nothing but a high carbon steel, this nothing but a mild carbon steel, rung iron and the pure iron. Okay, this nothing but a strain. After that, okay, किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या? एनी क्वेश्चन? हेलो Anybody having questions related to engineering material?